After the state meet, I was definitely filled with like a bunch of confidence about what I could do next year, and especially with the top 3 guys graduating, and I'd be the top returner for Division 5. I was just like really excited just to see what I can do, and Danny just put me on a higher training plan, and just from there it's been like just getting bigger and bigger, and I've just been running faster and faster this year.
I didn't see it coming. It really surprised me. I was hoping one of our runners, him or Kiva, could break the top 10. And then when I saw him come around that turn, because he was in about 8th place with about a mile to go, and then they go out of sight and then they come back into view with about 600 to go. And there, all of a sudden, there he was in about 6th place and a couple guys ahead of him that he caught. So it was a really nice surprise.
On for him.
Yeah, I think that was the aha moment for him to make him believe that he's as good as anybody out there and can run with almost anybody at any division now. And he's all excited about going to college. Hopefully, running in college, he wants to continue to do. And so yeah, it was a stepping stone, and he just ran with it from there.
The Mariner meet last Saturday was definitely the highlight so far, just because that's my 3-mile PR and that's the fastest I've run. And I was able to run 2 sub-5s on a race, which has never happened before. Usually it's like we go out sub-5 and then just hang on from there. I just want to obviously win, because usually the NCS time translates pretty well to your state time. Just add like 20 seconds or so. So the plan is just to run as fast as I can, hopefully PR. Or faster than the Mariner meet, maybe run like 14:30 around there, but obviously take the win. And our main goal is actually to qualify as a team to state. So state's a funny race because everyone knows it's like the last one, so everyone starts out really fast usually. So the plan is to not go out fast actually, and just like stay in the mix in the top, but don't go out too fast or do anything too dumb.
But there's so many bodies.
Yeah, there's a lot of people. Like the first time I ran state, it was like so overwhelming just because like 200 people like surrounding me, and I didn't know how fast it was. But this year I just get out fast, but not too fast. And then I think the 2nd mile is where the race really starts, because that's when the top guys that went out too fast start to die back, and that's where like the top guys that'll be there until the end will be.
Okay.